in the exam. Just chapter unit 3, 5 and 7. Okay. So, first of all, just as it is a MCQ type exam, an online based, yes, 3, 5, 7 MCQ type. So, just I will inquire some questions, you will try to answer it. Okay. So, first question, it is from the chapter, that is acid, base and salt. Acid, base and salt. So, everyone carefully you will note down all the points which is mentioned in the NCERT text, that is, it may be in text question sometimes, and also the exercise question is also there. You should make a concept on this chapter, that is acid, base and salt, because these are 3 different compounds and these having some specific characteristics. You have to know this, and there is an term which is very important, that is what is indicator. You have to know about the indicators, because the indicators are some natural and some artificial, that is synthetic made. Some synthetic made application indicators are, that is phenolphthalein. The spelling of this indicator is very long, it is phenolphthalein. Okay. Now, phenolphthalein is an indicator, it is colorless in acid solution and also in the neutral medium, but it is having a pink color in basic solution. Pink in basic solution. So, you should remember this, phenolphthalein is an indicator which is pink in basic solution. Okay. Yes, for you the maximum marks is 1 for class 7, the maximum marks is 1. Okay. So, the phenolphthalein is an artificial indicator, that is pink in basic solution. You may also note it down, and it is having no color in neutral and acidic medium. No color in neutral and acidic medium. Okay. Write it down. Phenolphthalein is an indicator. Yes, there will be 55 questions and you have to attempt 50 questions. But only 5 questions, you may alternate the question. These are the internal choices. Out of 55 questions, you have to answer 50 questions. 5 are the choices for you. Okay. So, write it down, phenolphthalein is an indicator, it is pink in basic solution and no color in neutral and acidic medium, but it is pink in basic solution. Okay. Now, already how many questions will be there? 55 questions will be there. Total 55 questions will be there and you have to answer only 50 questions out of that. Okay. Have you noted down the phenolphthalein is an indicator? Phenolphthalein is an indicator. Only 50, the first 50 questions will be taken into consideration. Suppose you answer all the questions, then the first 50 questions will be taken into consideration. Okay. I think you have got your answer. The first 50 question will be taken into consideration if you make all the questions, if you make answer all the questions. Okay. Now, come to the some exercise part. Now, out of these 4, which one is a natural indicator? Suppose the examples are methyl orange, methyl red, phenolphthalein, turmeric. Methyl orange, methyl red, phenolphthalein and turmeric. Those whose microphone is on. Mute it now. Obviously, it is turmeric, because if I write the questions in the board, it will take a long time. Only a few questions will be discussed. Just here once, which one is a natural indicator? The example are methyl orange, methyl red, phenolphthalein. I just wrote on the board, and turmeric. So, obviously, the turmeric will be the correct one. Everyone know this, because turmeric is the natural indicator. Okay. Now, next question is that what is the correct way to making a solution of acid in water? Suppose the question is telling you about how to prepare a dilute acid solution. How to prepare dilute acid solution. Okay. So, how to prepare dilute acid solution? Now, you have to know it that exothermic reactions occur. The exothermic reactions, the question is that what is the correct way of making a solution of acid in water? What is the correct way of making a solution of acid in water? The options are: add water to acid, number 2, add acid to water, number 3, mix acid and water simultaneously, number 4, add water to acid in a shallow container. Options are: add water to acid, add acid to water, mix acid and water simultaneously, number 4, add water to acid in a shallow container. The correct way of making a solution of acid. Now, the options. I think you can see the board. Yes, you can see the board. So, the correct way of making a solution of acid, now the 4 options is: add water to acid, add acid to water, number 3 is mix acid and water simultaneously, and number 4 is add water to acid in a shallow container. Add water to acid, it is not the correct one, because if you add water to acid, then the exothermic reactions, that is exothermic, that means heat producing reactions will occur, and the acid may burst out from the container and may harm the experimenter. So, the correct option will be add acid to water, add acid to water, add acid to water. Yes, Aniruddha, you had given the correct answer, add acid to water, because then the concentration gradually become the more. So, here the chances of bursting out is less. Next question. What are the products of neutralization? What are the products of neutralization reaction? What are the products of neutralization reaction? You know already, the neutralization reaction is the reaction in between acid and base, producing salt and water. Okay. So, this is the general form of the equation. Yes, salt and water. Clear? Yes, heat will also be evolved there if the option is there. If the option is salt plus water plus heat, then you will make this option correct. If no heat is there, then only these two options are there, then it would be the correct one. Okay. Next one. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Turmeric is a natural indicator. On adding its paste to a acid and base separately, which color would you observe? So, turmeric is a natural indicator. If you mix turmeric with acid and basic solution differently, then what you will see, in which case it will show the change of color and in which case it will be the same. Acid no change, base pink, yes, correct. So, turmeric in acid no change, or its natural color, that is as it is yellow in color. In base it is pinkish or reddish Clear? Okay. Next question. Just I am repeating, I have discussed this question. Phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator and its color in acidic and basic solution respectively are red and blue. Phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator and its color in acid and base respectively are just I told you. Now, the option, just listen to the option: red and blue, blue and red, pink and colorless, colorless and pink. As it is here, first acid and next base. So, acid is colorless. So, the option 4 will be the correct one. You have to find out the correct option. Yes. Yes, correct answer: Aniruddha, Saptarshi, Aditya. Yes. Okay. Now, come to the next question. When the soil is too basic, plants do not grow well in it. To improve its quality, what must be added to a soil? Just listen to the question. When soil is too basic, plants do not grow well in it. To improve its quality, what must be added to the soil? Organic matter, quicklime, slackline, calamine solution. Okay, now someone out of you Already you may have some confusion regarding that, what is organic matter, what is quicklime, slaked-lime, calamine solution. Now, the out of organic matter all are basic in nature, that is the quicklime, the calamine, the slaked-lime, all are basic in nature, they are base. So, as the soil becomes the basic, then we have to add the organic matter. Okay. So, the option is organic matter, yes. Annesha, Saptarshi, Aditya, Adrita, Aniruddha. Correct answer. Next question. Litmus, a natural dye, is an extract of which of the following? You know this very well. This is China rose, beetroot, lichen, blueberries. Lichen, yes, correct. Simple question. Next question. Which of the following is an acid base indicator? Which of the following is an acid base indicator? Now, just listen to the option, that is vinegar, number 2 is lime water, number 3 is baking soda, and last is turmeric. Which one is natural? Acid base indicator, obviously turmeric. Okay. Next. Yes, correct. Next, come to the next question. Just listen to the question first carefully. On adding phenolphthalein indicator to a colorless solution, no change is observed. What is the nature of the solution? Adding phenolphthalein indicator in a solution, no change in color is observed. Adding phenolphthalein in a solution, no change in color is observed. What is the nature of the solution? Now, the option, listen to the option. Yes, listen to the option. Option is, first one basic, option A is basic, option B is either acidic or basic, option C is either acidic or neutral, and option 4 is either basic or neutral. Yes, it can be either acidic or neutral, clear? Yes, yes, acidic or neutral. Saptarshi, Annesha, Aniruddha. Okay, so this is a very important questions. Next, which of the following sets of substances contains acid? Which of the following sets of substances contains acid? Okay, grapes, lime water, vinegar, soap, curd, milk of magnesia, curd and vinegar. In each option there is the two compounds. In first it is grapes and lime water, B vinegar and soap, C curd, milk of magnesia, curd and vinegar. Which of the following set of substances contains acid? Okay, now option A is grapes and lime water, B vinegar and soap, C curd and milk of magnesia, option D is curd and vinegar. Curd and vinegar, yes. Curd it's containing lactic acid, vinegar containing acetic acid, and out of these 4 options only these are the correct option. Okay, now move to the next chapter, that is fiber to fabric. As this chapter already was in the previous exam, so I hope there will be some very easy questions. Yes. So, I am writing here 4 words: silk is to cocoon, silk is to cocoon, comma, wool is to what? The options are hair of rabbit, cotton plant, fleece of sheep, jute of hemp. Fleece of sheep, yes. Okay, so I am writing here silk is to cocoon, that is silk is obtained from cocoon. So wool is obtained, so from here you will correlate the words which is wants to tell. Now wool is obtained from out of these 4 options, which one will be correct? That is hair of rabbit, cotton plant, fleece of sheep, jute of hemp. Okay, already on screen Bosudhara, Aditya, Aniruddha, Annesha, yes, all are correct, fleece of sheep. Next, which type of shawl are woven from the fur of Kashmir goats? Which type of shawl are woven from the fur of Kashmir goats? Options are Pashmina, Parsi, Kashmiri, Simla. Pashmina shawl. Okay. In a South America, wool is basically obtained from which of the following animal? In South America, wool is basically obtained from which of the following animal? Goat and sheep. Okay, repeating, in South America, wool is basically obtained from which of the following animal? Goat and sheep, Angora goats, llama and alpaca, yak and sheep. Yes, llama and alpaca. Next question. In a sequence, which word will be there? Just I am writing here the sequence: sharing, arrow, question mark, and after the question mark it is sorting. Okay. Now the options are separating, weaving, knitting, scouring. The options are separating, weaving, number 3 is knitting, number 4 is scouring. Now you can give the answer scouring, yes. Okay. which is meant by the okay, the silkworm is a caterpillar, B a larva. Choose the correct option. The silkworm is a caterpillar and B is larva. It is a question from the exercise. Now, the options are only A is correct, that is only the caterpillar, only B is correct, a larva, both A and B are correct, or neither A or B are correct. Yes, it is larva. Okay, so option B is the correct one. Now, also another one question is another one unit is there, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals with the climate. Yes, only B is the correct one. Caterpillar, no, it is not a caterpillar, it is only a larva. Okay. Now, concentrate on the chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptation. Okay. Now, find out the odd one out from the following with respect to climate pattern. Find out the odd one out with respect to the climate pattern. Now, in option there will be the name of 4 countries or 4 places. Now, in 3 places you can see the similar weather pattern, but one will be different. Now, what are the name? Canada, Iceland, Greenland, Brazil. Okay, so find out the odd one out from the following with respect to climate pattern: Canada, Iceland, Brazil. Yes, it is Brazil. Okay, so I am writing down this question. Find out the odd one out. Find out the odd one with respect to weather pattern. Now, the options are Canada, number 2 is the Greenland, Iceland, number 3 is Greenland, and number 4 is Brazil. This is the correct one. Okay. Now, weather reports are prepared by Agricultural Department, Civil Aviation Department, Meteorological Department or Education Department. Meteorological Department. Yes, correct. The weather reports are prepared by Agricultural Department, Meteorological Department, Civil Aviation Department and Education Department. Yes, Meteorological Department. Everyone note it down that weather reports are prepared by Meteorological Department. Clear, everyone? Next, which option best describes a tropical region? Which option best describes a tropical region? Now, the options are hot and humid, moderate temperature and heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry. Options are hot and humid, moderate temperature and heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry. Just I am repeating the question, which option best describes a tropical region? Hot and humid, moderate temperature and heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry. Yes, some of you given moderate and heavy rainfall, some of you having answer hot and humid. Hot and humid will be the correct one. Hot and humid. If you carefully read the in text line, then you can make the correct answer. Next one. Which one? Next is the very easier one. Which of the following briefly describes the desert climate? Which of the following bestly describes the desert climate? The options are hot and humid, dry and humid, hot and dry, hot and wet. Yes, as it is a weather of the desert, so hot and dry. Okay. Next, which of the following points is incorrect for penguin? I have discussed these questions on the previous classes. Which of the following points is incorrect for penguin? They huddle together, they cannot swim, they have webbed feet, they have streamlined body. They cannot swim. Yes, they can swim well, and for this reason their body is streamlined. It also helps them to swim easily and to rotate their heads. Okay. Choose the odd one from the following option. Choose the odd one from the following question. Next, from the following option, thick layer of fat under the skin. The points are basically representing one animal. Now, the characteristics which does not go with the animal, then you have to find it out. So, first point, thick layer of fat under the skin, white fur, long grasping tail, wide and large feet with sharp claws. Thick layer of fat under the skin, white fur, long grasping tail, wide and large feet with sharp claws. Yes, they are basically representing the polar bear, but one characteristics is not familiar with the polar bear. Which one is? You have to find out the characteristics, which is odd one in case of, yes, long grasping tail. Clear? Okay. Long grasping tail, it is not going with the polar bear. Okay. All of you have understood well? Okay. So, one suggestion, first of all, you will first read the questions which will come. Already you are habituated with the online method, because already this is the second exam, assessment 1 after the term 1. Okay, so first read the questions carefully and then also minutely observe the options. Okay, because there may be some negative point. Just for example, the last question, that which characteristics does not representing the polar bear. So you have, there is the negative type question is there. Okay, not, it is a not positive type. So you have to minutely observe it and you will answer it later on. Okay, so thank you everyone, and hope everyone will score a good marks in the upcoming exam, and thank you everyone.